Hello everyone, welcome to Breeze Pro trading platform. Trading on Breeze Pro has now become even easier for traders. Here, you get the convenience of both keyboard shortcuts and mouse-based trading. With keyboard shortcuts, traders can buy and sell instantly, without any delay. So, let's see how trading becomes effortless with keyboard shortcuts, and what shortcuts are available. To buy, simply press F1 key or plus key. Other shortcuts for keyboard-based trading are herewith. If you prefer trading with the mouse, simply click anywhere on the watch list. From here, you can also access features like charts and script overview. Also, you can easily place buy and sell orders. And just like this, you can trade easily using the Breeze Pro trading platform. Breeze Pro makes trading faster, easier, and smarter for every trader. Thank you for staying connected with Breeze Pro. Happy trading!